It is January 1st. Happy New Year. We're gonna do a little something different today. So I went out, I think it was 2 days ago now, or yesterday. Yesterday. We bought myself a Pittsburgh 750-pound engine stand, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. Already cut the tape, so open it up. It shouldn't be too difficult because you got yourself a wheel. Here's your instruction book. You need that. There's another wheel. Piece of styrofoam. Engine here. More stuff like that. And these are for the legs. These are the legs or something. I already forgot what it looks like. Actually, that's the back one. That's the front leg. There should be a caster wheel in there somewhere. Maybe. Hold up. Okay, there's no front caster. That's lovely. After you pull the pieces out of your 750-pound engine stand, you realize that it's missing most of the pieces, and you go back to Harbor Freight and exchange it for another one, but they give you the wrong one, so you upgrade it to a 1,000-pound engine stand, so that's what we're gonna build this time. Cut these straps open. Maybe. Probably not the safest way to do it, but things are different when you're one-handed doing camera. That's better. So now you're going to take out real instructions, and looks like we have everything this time. Caster wheel, another one. These are the solid wheels. These are the ones we were missing. I only had one of those. Four. At it, since this is new, I'm realizing that the other one was partially put together as well. Which you'll probably see some of that clip. There's the end plate, mounting plate, and I'm trying to get this one out. Put it on for 2 seconds. Well, a few more pieces than last time, and a few more bits of styrofoam all over the floor. So let's get the instructions open and start assembling it. So the instructions are kind of brief. So we're going to start up in the front here and get the chassis built, as I'll call it. So you got the front piece. Plate better there, that's the handle. You got 4 holes. The outer ones are for the wheels there, so let's get those on. Also mention that the hardware comes put together, so you don't have to be looking for, let's say, a washer or a nut. It's all set on there. Let's do this one. So let's see. So you just put it in there, and then washer and lock washer, and then the nut there, and then get the washer, lock washer, and the nut on top, and you tighten it up. It looks to me like it's 3/4, so you get a 3/4 wrench on there and you'll be good. So I'm going to do the other side and I'll come back when it's done. So we got that assembled now. Tighten down both sides. So next is we're gonna that piece. There's a little channel there, angle irons, that goes on top of this. I think of these bolts, let's see. One's a different size. Two are smaller. We got 4 of those. And then 4 of those ones, 2 of those, and looks like just one of that one. Probably for the handle. We just got bolts sitting in there. Kind of goes like that, so we're gonna put the nuts underneath, which are right there. So just to set things straight quick, these bolts for the wheels there were 3/4 inch, and now these ones are 11/16 head, and I think these would be 1/2 or 9/16. I'll get that in a minute. So I'm gonna grab an 11/16 wrench. I can't find another one, so I'm using adjustable. Also, don't want to forget you put a lock washer underneath and then followed by the nut. Next, we're doing the back. We're going to start on the wheels. So those are the slightly smaller bolts right here. So let's grab the wheels and assemble it in there. Alright, now these wheels actually came with little bushings, so make sure you put those in. Get these in there. Yeah, those things do that one-handed. There we are. I'm gonna put the washer, lock washer, and followed by the nut. We'll do the other side, tighten that up, and be right back. One more thing before I tighten these are 9/16. Of course, I'm only finding the honest of end wrenches today. Doing a little cleaning, so in the process of finding everything, it's usually adjustable. Of course, if you could find the right size, I would go for that. And you also don't want to kill these because these have to free spin, so it actually happens to assemble different than I was thinking, so this actually goes into here. So bolt this up, and then that tube slides through there, and then there's that one bolt that I wasn't sure it went right there, and that just goes in that nut there, and it squeezes against it. So let's bolt that up. And these are the 11/16 again. Next, we're just going to take this bolt, which is a 3/4 inch head, and just start threading that in there, making sure it doesn't come through the pipe. That should be good. So now we're going to tip that up and slide into there. See if I can get you in the camera angle. That's a good fit. So for this, I'm just gonna leave it to the end to get the most stability out of it. So we're gonna come over here, grab a 3/4 inch wrench, and then tighten that on the bottom. Almost finished now. So we're gonna put this in here. And then you get this little pin, which is your locking pin, so you lock it in the position you want. So you can't really rotate too much. Your handle comes in this bag, but it actually comes in that pipe. So, like that. Oh, it's already has a cap on it. Unless it goes on double, let me check. A little different than the other one. You put this in. Alright, you stay in here and you put your other cap on. It's a little warped. There you go. A nice little turning hand. You pull that out and you can turn it any which way you need to. And put it in this position, and next, it's like the basic building of it now. It's basic construction is done. These are what you're going to use to attach to your motor, whatever that may be. I bought this to put small garden tractor engines on it, such as old Kohler single cylinders. So I'm only needing 2 of these. So we will take these 2 here. I'll set this up as if I need it, since I'm gonna put a motor on it right now. Actually, just a motor block, but I'm gonna rebuild it. Or actually, phrase it's rebuilt, just need to be put back together. Had to tear it apart for something. So these go like that. And if I could balance that for 2 seconds. Your bolts are gonna go like that. Yes. They're going in like that, and the nuts are gonna be on the back. Now these, you're more or less gonna wanna leave a little loose just until you get your motor about mounted to it. Then you put your motor bolts through here to go into the block. And then, I think after that, you're good. So, after you get the motor bolts in, just tighten these up so it doesn't shift too much, and then you're able to pull the pin and flip the motor upside down if you're putting in the, so you put an oil pan on it, or flip it back on, or flip back over, put the head on, anything like that. So I'm gonna move that, push it around the floor for a minute. A little test. It's pretty nice. And that all works. So that is all for this. Once you get weight on that, it'll straighten itself out. So that is all. Hope you enjoyed the assembly of the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh. It's a 1,000-pound engine stand. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing for more videos, and we will catch you next time.